Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claudio, and in today's video we're going to be changing out the Audi S4 fog light covers. I'll show you guys what it looks like. This is a honeycomb S4 grille. I'll link it in the description if you guys are interested in this product. We also have the chemical guys. These are the products that we are using today. We're using the Chemical Guys Warless Car Wash Microfiber Cloth, and obviously the Audi S4 Fog Light Grill. I'll link it in the description if you guys are interested. This is what the old fog light cover looks like. We simply hold onto it and give a hard, nice tug. Simple as that. It's removed. Now we're going to basically spray the Chemical Guys spray on there to clean up the dirt and grime that's in there. While it's off, it's best to just clean it up. Perfect. When it's all cleaned up and pretty, then we're gonna get out the new fog light cover. Now we're gonna install the new fog light. This is the new fog light cover. We're gonna slide it into these two holes right here. Make sure it's nice and even, then you give a nice tug and it clips right in. As you can see, it's fully flush, and I'll give you guys a nice before and after video of what the car used to look like and what the car looks now. We're repeating the same process for the other side. We're going to clean that up as well. Nice and clean. Slide into these two holes right here.